Happy week 30, my PE students. We are just rolling through the school year and second week already of April and just cruising right along, and the weather's getting nicer and it's all things good. Your secret code for this week is if you could be any character from any book, any movie, any TV show, any of that type of stuff, if you could be any character, who would you be and tell me why? So, who would you be and tell me why? So, for example, if I could be anybody, I would want to be, hmm, I think I'd want to be Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. One, she's super smart. Two, she survives, she doesn't die, so that's really good. And three, she just has really awesome and loyal friends, and I think that would be really fun. And she gets to like go to Hogwarts all the time and have magical powers and things like that. So that would be my answer if I were doing the calendar reflection, and that's the secret code for this week. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. One thing to take note of with the calendar reflections: you will have 3 weeks to turn them in after the due date. If you manage to not turn them in 3 weeks after the due date, you will not be able to turn them in anymore. That will be the new cutoff date. Because we need to get in the habit of starting to turn our assignments in on time, especially as we prepare for next school year, which is going to go back to normal, hopefully, and just kind of stepping it up a notch a little bit. So again, you'll have 3 weeks to turn stuff in. After that, you won't even be able to see the submission anymore. So just please, please, please be aware of that as well. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your week. Bye.